Togotigana nenseme yo kogenda mpaka ase county ya Nyamira niga Abamenyi kuru ase county yo ya Nyamira banyareko bakorokia omugokobo nyuma yo konyora obobwenia bwa Bosa ase wiki bono kuru ase kiombe ekyo kemenyekene buna Safe Life Community ase county yo ya Nyamira nanyarabo nigo mugavana bwe county yo ase leta Amos Nyaribo anyako bakagoika ase nseme yo asate babona niga serikali ye county ya Nyamira irachikonyara koba gekubwaterana nabobwatani bande bunabo elyo gokonya bali abobwate amoroire ao ase county yo ya Nyamira report yo ase nchira yo boekerana.
You are sick, but even with the card you cannot do the investigation. You are forced to stay at home because most of them cannot afford. That's why I'm calling the government to look at this so that our people can get help. So that if I have an NHIF card, I can walk to the public hospital and maybe do an investigation.
First of all, we are so grateful that we're here in a small town known as Nyamira town, which is found in the county government of Nyamira, in the near the shores of Lake Victoria. And the main purpose that we're here is because we're doing our specialized outreach program, which involves multi-specialties in terms of general surgery, obs and gynae, reconstructive surgery, ENT, dental, orthopedics, and many other even medical cases that have come in place. I think first of all we must realize that, look, why do we have to do this kind of thing with all the necessary arrangements? And it's not something that is quite easy to do. But I think the first thing that comes into your mind is that when you reach a place like this one, you are exposed to a lot of cases that sometimes people have been having problems with for a long period of time. And then the question is that why have these patients been in this condition for this long time? And it sometimes you always assume that everybody must be able to get services that are required there, but it gives you an impression that, look,
I've just come here to see the doctors who have been doing medical camp for the last 1 week, and so far they are telling me they have done 68 cases, and today they are going to cover more. I've come to congratulate them and thank them for the great work they are doing to help humanity.